we're out here in the river throwing the Ned rig today. Nice little finesse lure. See what we can't catch. Oh, there's one. Oh. Oh, oh, oh. Where are you going, buddy? There it is. Ooh. Swallowed it. Just about. Nice little smallmouth. Caught that on the Strike King Rage Tail. And I know what you're thinking. Why are you throwing a Rage Tail? That's supposed to be a trailer bait for spinner baits and things like that. Well, it makes for a really good smaller presentation. I think a lot of people miss fish because they're just going too big on the lures. Sometimes smaller is better, and the Rage Tail's perfect for that. Water level's a lot higher now. It's been pretty low the last few weeks. Got some decent rain. Oh, there's one. That's a nice fish. Oh, dropped it. No. Missed it. There's one. Oh. What do we have here? Smally. Okay, buddy. Oh, okay, buddy. Got this guy right in the current. Right in the heavy current. Not bad on the meps. Stained water, brown meps. Tell your folks I says hi. Got this copper size 3 meps on. All I'm really doing is trying to find heavy currents, throwing it up in there, and I'm reeling pretty fast. I want to get this thing going in that current. There's a nice one. Oh. Just about inhaled it. Way smaller than I thought. Oh, I'm tangled. Get over here. Oops. Oh, there's a better fish. There's a better fish. Buddy. Get over here. Come on. I got you. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Whew. Got him on the meps. Caught him right under this little underpass over here. It's a healthy looking fish.